What is up, peeps? Guess what? I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing unboxing for you. I don't even know which package is which, but we're going to go ahead and start with this package from DHL. Is it DHL? Yeah. I mean, it's not from them, but that's who delivered it. Let's see. It says from XUCHANG Grace Trading Co. Ltd. Looks like they are based in Shang, China. Is that how you say it? XUCHANG China, People's Republic. I'm probably not saying that right, but that's what it says it's from. I do believe I ordered this off of Aliexpress, so we're gonna match it up to the actual email that they sent me in a second once I see like who exactly this is from, like, because you know Aliexpress has different vendors. So let's open it up, because I mean I really didn't pay attention too much to the vendors. I just followed links from YouTubers and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and open this package. So I got my scissors. Snip snip hope. So I got my scissors. I said my snizzers. Must be sipping on that scissor. JK. But scissors. Got my scissors, and we oh, okay, almost fell. Okay, we're opening this package. I mean, I already know that it's weave in here, because you can feel the package. It's weave. So first thing we're gonna take out is this. Okay, y'all, so I took this closure out. Okay, now this closure does have a bit of a smell to it, kind of like a burnt shampoo-y smell. Yeah, I mean, it's not too bad, but definitely is a smell. But it doesn't like stink, but it just smells like burnt shampoo, kind of. Yeah, so let me see. All the hair, there's some like flyaways in the hair, so some hair shorter. Now I don't know if that's because they were trying to help like create the baby hairs. They do have this like folded over. I guess they're intending this to be for baby hair. So they already kind of had the baby hair out for you and kind of a little bit shorter and more sparse. So I don't know if I'm gonna have to do any additional plucking or anything like that. But I also see that the hairline looks pretty okay to me. Probably could pluck it a little bit more if you want. The hair is silky smooth. Just running my fingers straight through it. Nothing seems to be like kind of wrong with the hair as far as I'm concerned. So kind of just showing y'all that a little bit more. And then let me show y'all the lace. So here's the actual lace part. And I don't know if this is like small or what. I don't know if this is a good representation of what's going on. But I don't know if it's small or not. But I've never done a closure before, so I can't wait to actually make this closure wig, and we'll see how it goes. I'm going to put it in a middle part, because you can't really do too much of a side part with this. I mean, you can a little bit, but you know, you just have to see. This is a free part, so you can part it anywhere on the closure that you want. But it just depends on what you want to do, and you know how skilled you are making everything blend. I'm still kind of a beginner, so I'm gonna just be safe and do the middle part. And I just can't wait to see how it comes out. And I'm probably going to end up selling these wigs with the hair that I got another bundle of hair also, or order of hair. So we'll see. I'm really excited. There are just a lot of really like small parts in this closure, so I don't know if that's standard or not, because this is like just one of my first orders. I can see how it compares to the other hair I got. So that's the closure. Let me know what you think about this closure. What's this? Angel Grace Oh, okay, so it says Angel Grace on here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this box. Oh shoot, I got a beauty blender. I got a beauty blender. Oh, I got a beauty blender. 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 Hey, what? Yay! OMG, I'm actually happy about that. I haven't gotten a new beauty blender in forever. And when I used to get my nails done, I would punch holes into the beauty blender on accident. So yeah, my beauty blender still has holes, so I'll definitely be incorporating this new beauty blender into my makeup routine. Yay, I got a beauty blender. Thank you, Angel Grace. That's what's up. And then another thing that says Angel Grace on it. Let's see what this says. So it says Angel Grace 100% human hair. It says 5 stars. 5-star plus photos equals $8. Items as described. Communication shipping speed. Dear customers, thanks for being with us. We wish you enjoy your service and products. If you like the hair, please give us full 5-star positive feedback and add some encouraged words and pictures. Then we'll refund you $8 via PayPal as the gift. If there is any problem, please contact us before leave a feedback. We will try our best to help you. Best regard, Angel Grace here. So that's just one thing also with like these companies that are based out of the country. They don't really like be speaking as far as English goes. They aren't speaking in complete sentences or like adding the ed on the words. So sometimes like just looking at their emails and stuff like that, it's kind of hard to understand sometimes, but it's not like completely like they sound like a 5-year-old or something, but it's just like not correct English, standard English as far as American language goes. So I wasn't like reading that wrong, like that's what they wrote. Okay, so this is a bundle. It's a pretty big bundle. And this is 16-inch, color natural. Weight is 3.5 ounces. The closure was a 12-inch. So this was 16, 12. Then this one is a 12. So pretty short. And then this one is a 14. And let's see, they're all so far 3.5 ounces. So this is the 14-inch. And yeah, so 3 bundles and a closure. So let me put them in order right here. So let's see, 14, 12, and then the 16. So that's all the hair. Let me go ahead and fill like one of the packs. Let me undo the 16. Okay. Come out. Oh. Tangling it up already. Okay. So let's see. Okay, really smooth. Yeah, so it's really smooth. Let me go ahead and smell it. It doesn't smell bad or anything. It smells like weave. I mean, it just smells like weave, like a maybe slight Play-Doh-ish smell, but not strong. Yeah, so this is the 16. And they have the wrap around it. It says they're all 3.5 ounces, which I don't know what the standard amount is or anything. There are little, it's supposed to be natural, so I don't think it's jet black. It does have like brown in it, some brown, light blonde, amber type color hairs in there. I don't know if I'm going to be dyeing this hair or not. I also don't know exactly what texture this is. Let me go ahead and match this to the email that I got, as far as them like telling me my order was filled and shipping and everything. So let me go to the email. Okay, so I found the information on their website for what I bought, and it's labeled as Angel Grace Bazillion Hair Weave Bundles with Closure, Remy Human Hair, 3 bundles with closure, straight hair bundles with closure. Length 12, 14, 16, and closure 12 inches. Color natural color. Part design free part. And then so let's see. So I ended up paying $65.21. And then I got free shipping and estimated delivery was 5 to 8 days. Processing time 5 days. And also this was mailed out to me really quickly. Like, it did not take any time for it to get to me whatsoever. It really probably took between 3 to 4 days for it to actually get to me. So it took no time at all. Yeah, so that is everything on this hair. So if you want to see what I end up doing with this hair, make sure you thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Tell me if you guys have anything that you want to see as far as wigs go, any colors, anything like that, and I will see if I can make that happen for you guys. Let me know what you want to see. I just like flinging it around. Yeah, but I don't know if I'm gonna dye it. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it black. I don't know if I'm gonna cut it. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it long. I don't know, girlfriend. But I will definitely come back to you guys with a video, especially if you guys let me know what you want. Let me know if you like this video by thumbs up, subscribing, and make sure you share the video with all of your friends that love weave and hair also. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Deuces.